The Etihad Stadium expansion is moving fast, with impressive progress that's hard to miss. From the towering SkyBar to the sleek solar panel installations, this project is a marvel of modern engineering. Stick around to discover how it's all coming together and what's next in this massive development. The SkyBar section has undergone a dramatic transformation. Over the past week, major structural additions have brought it closer to completion, with final touches like lift shafts and terrace beams now in place. The hotel, reaching its final level, is bustling with activity. Floor installations and framework advancements are moving at a rapid pace, signaling that the project is entering its final stages. One of the most asked about areas is the connection between the new hotel and the existing stand. From aerial views, it's clear that this section is starting to take shape. The structural beams here are visibly higher, preparing to support additional terrace seating and premium facilities. Shifting focus to the rooftop, solar panel racking systems are being installed, signaling the integration of sustainable energy. While there's still work to be done, these additions reflect the project's commitment to eco-friendly practices. The upper terrace sections are nearly complete, with noticeable progress in the addition of bathroom pods and flooring elements. These updates enhance the stadium's capacity and provide improved amenities for fans. Looking ahead, the final stages will focus on cladding, window installations, and the roof's finishing touches. With such a fast-paced schedule, the next few weeks promise even more visible changes. In just a few days, the Etihad Stadium has transformed significantly. From the impressive SkyBar to the green energy initiatives, this expansion is setting a new standard for stadium construction. Keep watching for updates as the project races toward completion. Subscribe for the latest construction updates. Don't miss what's coming next.